Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing the top 5 essential oils for stress relief. Before we get started though, I want to share Skin Resource with you guys again. I haven't shared them in like maybe over a year or something like that. I used to do videos for them all the time and they're my ride or die skincare favorite brand. If I had to choose one for the rest of my life, it would be them. All of their products are formulated by dermatologists, board certified dermatologists, and they're affordable. They are made specifically like in mind, like good ingredients for your skin. They're clean, they don't have fragrance or parabens, and affordable. Did I already say that? So like this serum is less than $20. This is the holy grail best moisturizer of in the entire world. It's made with baobab, which is the tree of life, and it has a ton of different skin benefits. This reverses sun damage, and it's I think around $50. Like, that's the most expensive I think product that they have, but it's amazing. This is my favorite skin or SPF, and it's tinted. It's like my foundation. They're great though, and I do have a coupon code that gives you $10 off your first order. So I'll put that down below, and let me know if you have any questions, because I love helping you guys pick out different like regimens specific to what you need. And almost all of the people that sign up with my link are reoccurring customers because it's just the best. Anyways, 5 essential oils for stress relief. This is one of the probably the top. I don't know, if I had to choose a number one reason to use essential oils, it would probably be stress relief, because it is so powerful in that way. You see lavender sprays and lavender products all over the place for helping calm and helping you in that way. So lavender is number one. It is the OG calming essential oil. It has linalool. It has a bunch of different constituents that just help to relax your mind. And when you're relaxed, you're not as stressed. So I love just taking the bottle of lavender and taking a big whiff. That is probably the most like fastest and most beneficial way to use essential oils, direct inhalation. You can also do an aromatic bath, diffuser. We love diffusing lavender too. It's one of those that really translates and diffuses well, because some essential oils, even on their own, like bergamot, I don't like diffusing that on its own because I don't feel like it smells as good as just taking a whiff from the bottle. But lavender translates, or I don't know what I'm trying to say, but smells just as good either way. Another huge way to use essential oils for stress relief is to make an essential oil inhaler, an aromatherapy inhaler. And I used to talk about fume all the time. They kind of went in the direction of like just helping people stop smoking, but that is essentially an aromatherapy inhaler. So you're putting drops of essential oil on a cotton wick and then breathing it in. And so that's a super effective, good for on the go way to use essential oils in this way too. Number 2 is chamomile. And I just kind of did the difference of chamomile or Roman versus German chamomile. And I just came across another one, and now I can't even think of what it was, but it was from Revive, I think, and I'm going to get that one. It's a different variety of chamomile, which I was excited to see. But chamomile is so relaxing and soothing, and essential oil obviously, but also chamomile tea. You can take a chamomile hydrosol bath. Those are just a couple of different ways to use it, but that one is just like super calming as well. Frankincense is like the spiritually uplifting, grounding essential oil, along with cedarwood, which is not on this list. I would group frankincense and cedarwood together personally. They just kind of do the same things for me in like grounding and relaxing my breathing in that way. But also you can diffuse. I think frankincense and lavender were the first things I ever diffused. And I hated the smell of frankincense in the diffuser, but now I love it and I appreciate it. Number 4 is bergamot essential oil, and this one, like I said, I don't love just diffusing this on its own, but paired with lavender, it's great. But I really like just smelling this one out of the bottle, rubbing some in my hand and inhaling. So the first 3, I guess the first 2, lavender, chamomile, are kind of like calming and relaxing. Frankincense more grounding, and bergamot, and then ylang ylang is number 5, but the last 2 are more like uplifting to reduce your stress. So in a different kind of way, if that makes sense. But all citrus oils do this. They're just like happiness in a bottle. I love citrus essential oils. They're so bright and fresh, and really never fail to bring a smile to my face. I'm like, oh, this smells so good. Ylang ylang is the last one, and ylang ylang is such a powerful essential oil. It's very strong and potent, but it's also just like super like happy. It's the happy, sensual, I guess, in a lot of ways too, but just like a good, uplifting, in a relaxing way, a floral essential oil. So if you're more of a floral person and don't like lavender, or you're tired of lavender, give ylang a try for this reason. or for reducing your stress. But that is it. I wanted this to be pretty quick and to the point. Let me know if you have any questions or oils that you want to add to what you like to use best for stress relief. The brands that we like to use will be linked in the description of this video, as well as this blog post. There's always a blog post that goes with my videos, just for more information and links and things. Don't forget to check out Skin Resource. You guys will not regret it. It is the best, and I don't think I could live without them. Like, there's a beauty product in the world that I would not be able to let go of, it would be Baobab, or just the brand in itself. But anyways, the link will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.